What does a data scientist do?
Data scientists analyze large data sets to extract meaningful insights, inform business decisions, and solve complex problems. They use a blend of programming, statistics, and domain knowledge to model data, create visualizations, and communicate their findings. A career in data science is interdisciplinary, combining math, computer science, and subject expertise for impactful results.
Core skills and foundations.
Start by mastering statistics, probability, and linear algebra, as these form the backbone of data science. Learn programming languages like Python or R, which are industry standards for data analysis. Develop strong problem-solving and analytical skills. Begin exploring real data sets and practice using tools like Excel and SQL for essential data manipulation and querying.
Essential tools and technologies.
Proficiency in data science tools is critical. Focus on Python libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn for data processing and machine learning. Learn to use data visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Familiarize yourself with Jupyter Notebooks for interactive coding, as well as Git for version control and collaboration.
Building machine learning expertise.
Machine learning is a key component of data science. Study algorithms like regression, classification, clustering, and decision trees. Get comfortable with model evaluation metrics. Apply your knowledge on platforms like Kaggle for hands-on experience. Gradually progress to deep learning using frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch as your confidence grows.
Creating a winning portfolio.
Showcase your skills by building a portfolio of projects using public datasets. Choose problems that interest you and demonstrate a range of techniques, from data cleaning to advanced modeling. Document your work on GitHub and share clear explanations. A strong portfolio not only highlights your abilities, but also helps attract potential employers.
Landing your first data science role.
Prepare for interviews by practicing coding challenges, explaining projects, and solving case studies. Network with professionals through events or online communities. Pursue internships or entry-level roles like data analyst to gain experience. Stay curious and keep learning. The field is always evolving. With dedication and the right skills, you can launch a successful data science career.